Welcome to part 2 of our Rome walking tour. Today we will take you to the Vatican, Sistine Chapel, and St. Peter's Basilica. So we're sitting here outdoors, just waiting for our tour to leave. We thought we'd get ice cream here. It's called, what's the name? Gelateria Mamo. This one here is how many? How much? That's not cheap.
€6.
6 euros for waffle cone. What did you get?
Pistachio.
And I got Oreo cookies. Yummy. What are you doing?
Waiting for our tour to start.
Okay. We're supposed to still in this corner, right?
Yes.
Wearing your number 6. That's the rest of our group.
Not 9.
Not 9. Yeah. We are still walking, following Antonella right here with a flag, a rose flag. I don't know how close we are to the Vatican City now. That's where we're going. It's the Museo Vatican. That's where we're gonna go. Oh, I didn't hear what she said. What did she say?
We have to get in line until 4 p.m. and then we move in.
Until 4? Our reservation's not until 4?
Looks like it.
So even though the line's really long, it's not even 4 o'clock and the line's moving. We're in here now. We're gonna go over there, following our tour guide over there. There's the St. Peter's Basilica, and there's the garden, and there's our friend. It's St. Peter's Basilica. We're inside the Vatican right now, and there's the St. Peter's Basilica. There's the Sistine Chapel. Where's the Sistine Chapel? There's the Sistine Chapel. We're gonna go into the museum now, and this is the most important parts because it's very big. To see everything you need 6 months because it's big. Some Greek statues here, and then there are more statues. Library is over here on this side. The library, that's nice. Yeah. Wow, that's really nice. Sistine Chapel is over there. We're going out to the courtyard again. This is nice. Pinecone is good. Good luck. Where's the peacock? We are moving really quickly. I'm not getting enough footage here. Oh, there's a restaurant here right in the middle. But the rest of the group is going inside there now. I haven't even taken enough pictures. The paintings of the 17th century. These were destroyed during the 14th century during the barbarian invasion. That's why there's a lot of them. We're gonna go here. Apollo is under restoration. This is Apollo. Where's Apollo? There's Apollo. Bacchus. That's why it's worth holding a wine glass. The lion. Oh, this lion was attached to a wall before.
I think everybody has.
Oh, look at that. The ceiling. Pretty cool. This was used to collect water. Where is the statue of Hercules? Look at all the dots. Athena is somewhere here. I think this one's Athena. There's two coffins here. The coffin of Constantine, the mother and the daughter of Constantine. The coffins. There's some ashes. There's some safe here. The mosaic over there is like restaurant. It's like fast food.
Ah, era la venuta. Para el comedor ahorita, no va a para que elija,
Queen Christina. Very close to the Pope. Yeah. PM means Pontifex Maximus, that a bridge to something. Doesn't mean afternoon. Wow. Life of Jesus here in the link and also on the right. For each one of these it takes about 7 to 8 years. Wow. They look like 3D, but it's not 3D. But it's really just the shadows. It's an optical illusion that makes them look like they're 3D. Is this the murder of Julius Caesar, I think? Oh, yeah. The murder of Julius Caesar. Oh, it's buried around here. This is called the maps room. No, the maps. This is the region of Italy. Tuscany. Florence. We're going to Florence in Pisa. This is the Sistine Chapel right Here. Okay, go there. Go. I'll take a picture. Sistine Chapel. Let's go to the corner. There is the Sistine Chapel. Oh. Virgin Mary Road. Oh, here, there's the Virgin Mary. Sistine Chapel. Looks like we have access to this room. Oh, no cameras here. It's too bad it's not allowed. We are up here now after going into the Sistine Chapel. Oh. Where are we now?
Okay, stay here.
This is where they have the huge masses, the outdoor.
Oh, this is where they have the usual, Easter Sunday masses.
I don't know if it's mass or not. Maybe the Pope gives a speech.
That looks like the Lincoln Memorial. Is that it? Washington. Hello.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're at the big church, St. Peter's Basilica, and 60,000 people can fit inside, so we should be able to fit 2 more.
Okay, so do you want to go take us in there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm going to pause right now. Here's a pretty nice view. This is where people gather every Sunday. What is it, at noon? Where the Pope comes and blesses everyone here, on Sundays, right? Where do you want to go next? Oh, inside? Okay, let's go. Take me inside. We're going inside the Basilica. St. Peter's Basilica. I need to take off my hat. Oops. No pictures in
No,
there?
you're not pictures in there.
You're allowed pictures.
Yeah.
Pictures are okay?
Yeah.
Just wanted to know.
Where's the sculpture that... That's the holy water. Would you like some holy water? Let's see this.
We're still inside. Oh, I like those chairs that are look like glass, probably plastic.
What is this? It's soaps. Are these statues of books, maybe? Huh? Pio feel. Museum, I wish I knew exactly what these are. Let's see. Maybe they're labeled. What is this? This. We're just walking around inside the Basilica. Oh, there's the confection. What is that? Confession box. Confectionery box. Somebody is confessing, huh? Some nice sculptures here. Oh, and a nice painting here. Nice. Okay, look at, oh wow. And look at the ceiling. Very intricate. Oh, I like that word, intricate. Ornate. Ornate is not as social as intricate. You can get lost in here. My shoulder's getting tired holding the camera. Oh, that's why you get a selfie stick.
There's the Swiss guards selected by the Pope to be the guards. I guess that uniform is designed by Michelangelo. Looks like a clown because Michelangelo didn't really like the Pope because Michelangelo was gay. That's what the tour guide said. We're still here in the St. Peter Square. There's our friend. We're gonna go to that water fountain down there. Still a lot of people. I think the museum is already closed. We're just about to exit. There's our friend. That's a nice little water fountain, and there's one exactly the same on the other side. And that looks like Washington Monument. There is our friend standing right next to the Obeliscum, Vaticanum. And from this area here, we're supposed to see the house of the Pope, where he lives.
That's it there.
Which one? The terracotta building? Yeah, that terracotta building there. Yeah, I think that might be it. That's where the Pope lives. That building. What's going on?
We're at this Thai American restaurant.
Vietnamese, also Asian
cuisine
chains,
restaurant.
whatever.
It's called
Yes Food. Asia Americana. We just got here from the Vatican City. We took an Uber. What are you having?
We're having a signed order of vegetarian dumplings. Steamed.
Vegetarian steamed dumplings.
Or they call it ravioli.
Is that really called ravioli? This looks like ravioli. Did you order?
Here's my vegetarian udon.
It's a vegetarian udon. I thought for some reason you ordered Vietnamese pho.
No?
And I'm having big pan of chicken pad thai. Yummy.